Very good morning, my dear student. Today lecture on scientific production technology for okra. Lecture number 10, Unit 2, Hot 211 production technology for vegetable and spices, BSc third semester in English language. Introduction of okra is starting from the botanical name. Botanical name is okra Ebulmoscus esculentus L. Family Malvaceae, and chromosome number 2n is equal to 130, and origin place is okra. Africa is origin place, and tender green fruits are cooked in curry and soup, can be used for the vegetable purpose, and high iodine content of fruits help to control the Guttering disease for the human, and this is a very dangerous disease by control iodine. The dry fruits seed contain 13 to 22% of good edible oil is available to the seed of okra, and also available the proteins from 20 to 24% is edible fruits of okra, and the oil is used in shoe and cosmetic industries, also very useful to the manufacturing of soap industries and cosmetic industries also, and this is a very needable industries to okra oil. The crust is to feed crust seed can be used to cattle for more milk productions, and the fiber is utilized in jute and textile industries and textile industries, and also used to the paper industries of the okra. This is a very useful to the industrial purpose of the different purpose and different industries of the like jute industries, textile industries, and paper industries also used to okra, and leading producing state in the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and Orissa are major okra growing state in India. This is a very large area, and production also producing in the states from the India, and next one is a soil and climate of okra. Its soil, it is grown on a sandy to clay soil, but due to its well developed taproot systems, relatively light and well drained soil, rich soil are ideal for the successful cultivation of the okra, and its good well drained soil is favorable, and soil pH approximate 6 to 6.8 is ideal for the successful cultivation of the okra. All the soil needs to rich organic matters before the sowing for good healthy root systems for the nutrients available, and carbon percentage present by the organic matter in the soil. So it's very important to the maintenance of the C/N ratio of in presence of in the soil, and climates of okra are required a long and warm humid growing periods for the successful cultivations and successful healthy plants growing in this season. It can be successfully grown. It is the hot humid areas for the It's very important to the successfully cultivations and for the normal growth and developments are the temperatures between from 24 to 28 degrees centigrade is preferred for the cultivation of okra. It's very importance range to the growth and developments for the cultivation of okra. And during these periods is very well growth and developments for the fruits and plant developments also. The plants at the high temperature grow faster and the higher position in reached the earlier also, but at a high temperature beyond 40 to 42 degrees centigrade, flower may be desiccates and drops also, causing to yield losses due to the high temperature, very effective to the flower drops and yield losses due to the high temperature beyond 40 to 42 degrees centigrades. It's very dangerous to the flower drops and yield losses. And for seed germination and optimum soil moisture and a temperature between 24 to 35 degrees centigrade is needed to faster seed germination. Observed at the 35 degrees centigrade for the well seed germination and fastest germination of the seeds at 35 degrees centigrade. It runs from the 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. Then beyond this range the germination will be delayed and weak seeds may not be even germinate on this temperature because protein is not available in the seeds and not able to the germinations of the seed because weak seed. Next one is the important varieties of the okra. First one is the okra Punjab number 13, and this is a developed by the Punjab Agriculture University Ludhiana. It is suitable for the cultivation in spring as well as in summer season, and fruits are of a light green color and of medium size. It is the susceptible to yellow vine mosaic disease also, so it's not a well successful cultivation because affected by the susceptible to yellow vine mosaic virus. And Punjab Padmani is the developed by the Punjab Agricultural University Ludhiana. Fruits are quick growing, hairy and of dark green color, ready to harvest within 55 to 60 days after the sowing. It is tolerant to yellow vine mosaic virus and gives to average yield from 40 to 48 quintal per acre. Its average yield of the Punjab Padmani variety of okra. Punjab number 13 is the susceptible to yellow vine mosaic virus, and Punjab Padmani is a tolerant to yellow vine mosaic virus disease. It's very important difference due to successful cultivation of the okra. Next variety is a Punjab 7. It is the resistant to yellow vine mosaic virus. Jacids and bollworm roots are dark greens, medium in size, average yields of 40 quintals per acre of the yield also. Its resistance also one mosaic yellow vine mosaic virus, and this is a resistant variety, and last one variety is the tolerance and susceptible variety, and this is also resistance to YBMB and Jacid bollworm disease and insect also. Next one is a varieties of the Punjab 8 developed from Pusa Savani varieties of okra, and fruits are of dark green color, and length of the fruits 15 to 16 centimeter long at the time of harvesting. It is tolerant to yellow vine mosaic virus and resistance to fruit borer. It's a critical to long size of fruits. This is not suitable to the long distance market due to the very biggest long fruits, because marketable size of the okra fruits 6 to 8 centimeter long. It's very importance to the long distance market and marketable size of the fruit of okra only from 6 to 8 centimeter. Its drawbacks of these varieties, because this is a very long fruits and from the 15 to 16 centimeter. And Punjab Sohani, its important varieties, it is gives an average yield of 49 quintal per acre, and it has the dark green color fruits, and it is tolerant to yellow vine mosaic virus. It is dark green color fruits and resistance to yellow vine mosaic virus. And Punjab Sohasni is the average yield from this 49 quintal per acre. Its average yield of Punjab Sohani. And Pusa Makhmali is a important varieties of developed by, this is not a Mahakali, this is a Makhwali, MHMAKHALI, Makhmali, developed by IRI New Delhi. Its fruits are light green color. It's developed by the IRI New Delhi, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. And Parbhani Kranti is a varieties of the okra, and fruits are medium long and with good keeping qualities for the marketing for the. It is tolerance to yellow vine mosaic virus and ready to harvest 120 days after the sowing of seed. Gives to average yield of 40 to 48 quintal per acre. It's a very importance to early harvesting from the 120 days of the harvesting, ready to harvesting from the sowing of seeds. And Parbhani Kranti is a importance to medium long size of fruits. It's long distance markets and short duration of the crop also. Next one is a Pusa Savani is a important variety. It is developed by IRI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, and this is suitable for the cultivation in a summer and rainy season of the any state of India. It's ready to harvest within 50 days, and fruits are dark color green and 10 to 12 centimeter long at the time of harvesting. This is also drawbacks and fruit size due to 10 to 12 centimeter, because marketable size only 6 to 8 centimeter for the long distance and marketable size of okra. It is susceptible to yellow vine mosaic virus. Its very important drawbacks, because due to susceptible to yellow vine mosaic virus gives the average yield of 48 to 60 quintal per acre of the yield. It's very dangerous. And next is the varieties from the Arca anamica. It's developed by the IHR New Delhi, IHR Bangalore, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research Bangalore. It is the resistance to yellow vine mosaic virus. This is also resistant. It is gives to average yield of 80 quintal per hectare. This is my biggest and leading quantity yield producing by the Arca anamica is the 80 quintals per acre of the fruits from the 1 acre of land. Next is a Varsha Upahar. It is the importance variety degree of resistance to YVMB, yellow vine mosaic virus, and field tolerance to leafhopper. Its resistance to YVMB and tolerance to leafhopper. It can be grown in spring summer as well as season of the spring summer, and it takes to 46 to 47 days to first picking of the fruits from the sowing of seed. Fruit bearing start is from the fourth nodes, and due to the first growth of the fruits and harvesting on the alternative days to the recommended of the harvesting for the maximum yield and higher production by the Pusha Upahar variety of the okra. It's very important to the collect the farming from the per acre areas to yield of the maximum yield for the increase the income of the farmer by the increase the yield of okra. Some other varieties to released by the short form. Presented the short form in the slides from the released variety by other varieties of IRI New Delhi, Indian Agriculture Research Institute New Delhi. Some variety released like Pusha Makhmali, Pusha Pauchia, Pauscha, and Pusha A4, and Pusha Shabni is also released from IRI. And selection 2 is the importance varieties from the IRI New Delhi, because next one is released by the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research IIHR Bangalore is a selection 10, because anamica is it's also known the varieties the second name of the Arca anamica varieties by A selection 10, and selection 4 Arca Abhay is a varieties released from the IHR Bangalore and released by PIU. Some varieties released by PIU, Punjab Agriculture University Ludhiana, P7, and Punjab Panamani, Punjab number 13, Punjab number 8. Its importance variety released by Punjab Agriculture University Ludhiana, Punjab. Some variety released by the IAVR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, New Delhi, Varanasi, and a series from the DVR 1 2 3 4, some different varieties, and VRO 3 4 6 5 22 25 and some different variety released by IIVR Varanasi, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research Varanasi, and some other varieties also, Parbhani Kranti and Kiran and Salkirthi and Salkirthi CO1 and Aruna MDU1 and Varsha Upahar and Azad Kranti its importance variety of okra, and some other hybrids variety CO2 and CO3, Coimbatore 1, Coimbatore 2 and Coimbatore 3. It's a CO2 CO3 varieties, some different variety, and COH hybrid 1, CO Coimbatore Bhindi hybrid 1, also released from the Coimbatore Agriculture University. Okay, thank you very much. This is time of over to the video lecture, and some other slide can be showing will be the some next lecture of the classes. Okay, thank you very much. Any query, please comment on the box, and thank you very much.